Okay, well, this is a quick video of something we've already learned just to practice doing this, and it's on slope of a line. Um, I'm going to have this website linked in the assignment for the class. It'll be down here so you can link on it and you can interact with it. So to find the slope of a line, what you do is you first find 2 points on the line. So there's a point here, there's a point here, there's one here, and one here. We wouldn't want to choose a point that's between because it wouldn't be the graph paper behind wouldn't give you a good point. So you want to choose points where the line is going through a good coordinate, okay? So they chose these 2 points, and what you do is you go, if it's negative, because this is a negative slope going left to right, this is negative, you choose the left point and you move to the right point. So to get to a negative slope, you would fall and then run. So there's a picture of it here in red, fall and then run. And then you count how many spaces you fall, and that was 2, and how many places we ran, and we always run to the right, and that was 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. So that would be 4. Okay, this negative is because this is a negative slope. So our slope will be negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2 if you reduce it. So negative 2 over 4 or negative 1/2, either of those would be okay. And that's because you can find the slope from other points. You could have done this point to this point, and that would be negative 1 over 2. That's why it doesn't matter which 2 points you choose. Okay, here's an example. And when you click the link for this, you can do this too. So we're going to find the slope of this line, and the first step is to find 2 points on the line. So you click step 1, and they found 2 points on the line for you. Now this is going to be positive slope because from left to right, I'm going up. It's up, so it's positive. So you choose the left point, and we're going to go to the right point, and we rise and then run to the right. So we would rise 1 point and run 4 points. So my slope would be positive 1 over 4, or 1/4. They do the rise and the run underneath the line, but I would recommend rising and then running. You'll get the same answer, 1/4, but you have to remember that rise is up and down and run is left to right. So you rise 1 and run 4. Okay, here's another one. Step 1. Wait, let's find out first. Is this positive or negative? Okay, I'm going down, so that's negative. We plot 2 points. You guys, see if you can find the slope here. You can pause the video if you need to. Okay, it's negative, and I'm falling 2 and running 3. So my slope would be negative 2/3. The negative can be in front of the fraction bar or in the numerator next to the 2. We just usually don't put the negative in the denominator. That looks kind of weird. Okay, so that's a quick review of slope. You guys, when you click the link, you can do these other 2 and find the slope. That's it for today. Just wanted to do a quick video to review things, make it kind of hopefully not too stressful. Have a good day.